She isn't who she says she is. That is when I realized the truth. I was lying in a hospital bed, my body weak from chemotherapy. The doctor stood beside me, holding my hand. His name was Dr. Kenji Sato. He was my husband. But his words were not for me. He was talking to a nurse. "She thinks I love her," he whispered. "But she is just a patient to me." My heart stopped. How could he say that? We had been married for 5 years. He promised to love me forever. Now, I heard him planning my death. He wanted my money. He wanted my family's company. And I was too sick to fight. Suddenly, I understood everything. The wrong medicine. The late treatments. He was killing me slowly. And no one would believe a dying woman. My name is Yuki Tanaka. I met Kenji when I was 24. He was a young doctor, kind and handsome. My father was the owner of a big hospital chain. When I told my father about Kenji, he was happy. "He is a good man," my father said. We got married in a beautiful ceremony. Everyone said we were the perfect couple. For the first 2 years, everything was wonderful. Kenji held my hand every night. He told me he loved me. But then, my father got sick. He died 6 months later. I inherited the company. Suddenly, I had a lot of money and power. Kenji changed after that. He started working late. He stopped looking at me. I thought he was sad about my father. But the truth was different. He wanted my money. He wanted to control everything. And he found a way to do it. One day, I felt very tired. I had a pain in my chest. Kenji said it was nothing. But the pain got worse. He took me to his hospital. He said I needed tests. The tests showed cancer. I was shocked. But Kenji said, "Don't worry, I will take care of you." I believed him. I trusted him with my life. That was my biggest mistake. The treatment started. Kenji was my main doctor. He gave me medicine every day. But I did not get better. I got worse. My hair fell out. I could not eat. I was always in pain. The nurses were kind, but they looked at me with pity. One night, I could not sleep. I heard Kenji on the phone. He was talking to someone. "Don't worry," he said. "She will be gone soon. Then we can be together." My blood turned cold. Who was he talking to? I tried to get up, but I was too weak. The next day, I asked him about the call. He laughed. "You were dreaming," he said. I was talking to my mother. But I knew he was lying. I started watching him. I saw him change my medicine. He put something in my fore. I asked the nurse, but she said it was normal. I felt trapped. No one believed me. I was just a sick woman. But I knew the truth. My husband was killing me. And I could not stop him. I decided to escape. I planned to run away. But he found out. He increased my medicine. I became too weak to move. I was dying, and he was watching. He smiled at me. "It will be over soon," he said. "You will be with your father." The day of my death came. I was in the ICU. My body was shutting down. Kenji stood beside me. He was crying. But those tears were fake. He was acting for the nurses. "I love you, Yuki," he said. "I will always love you." I wanted to scream. But I had no voice. He leaned close to my ear. "Your money is mine now," he whispered. "And your company too. Goodbye, my dear wife." Then he stopped my life support. The machine beeped. My heart stopped. But something strange happened. I did not die. I woke up. I was in a different room. A nurse was shaking me. "Yuki-san, wake up," she said. "You had a bad dream." I looked around. I was in a hospital bed. But I felt strong. My hair was back. I was not sick. "What happened?" I asked. The nurse smiled. "You had a surgery yesterday. It was a success. Your cancer is gone." I could not believe it. I was alive. Then I saw Kenji. He was at the door. His face was white. He looked scared. "Yuki," he said. "You are awake." I looked at him. I remembered everything. The poison. The lies. The plan. But now I was strong. And I had proof. I had recorded his confession. The nurse gave me my phone. I called the police. "My husband tried to kill me," I said. "I have evidence." Kenji tried to run. But the police arrested him. He was taken away. I watched him go. My heart was broken. But I was free. That day changed my life forever. I learned that love can be a lie. Kenji did not love me. He loved my money. But I also learned something important. I learned to trust myself. I knew the truth in my heart. I just had to listen. Now, I am healthy again. I run my father's company. I help other women who are in bad marriages. I tell them, do not ignore the signs. If someone hurts you, leave. You deserve better. Life is precious. Do not let anyone take it from you. I still think about Kenji sometimes. But I do not feel sad. I feel strong. I survived. And I will never let anyone control me again. The lesson is simple. Trust your instincts. They will save you. And remember, you are stronger than you think. Even when you are weak, you can find power. I found mine. And you can find yours too.